In this video, I will break down how I have generated millions of dollars of gross commissions, and I'll prove it all with YouTube. In fact, what I'll do is after doing 13 channels across the country and teaching thousands of agents, I'm gonna break down the 4 most life-changing things that you need to know, not only about YouTube, but real estate marketing in general. Now, before we get into those, I just wanna prove this. We've actually asked multiple agents who've come through our training to talk about how many homes they've sold and the commissions that they've made through the longevity of their channel. And we've only gotten a few of them so far, but as you see, 210, 270, 290, 400, you go down, here's 600, 630, and even $2.2 million in gross commissions. Now, what we did is we actually took everybody who's followed our living in method and what I'm gonna teach you today, and here are the staggering statistics. Again, if you follow our systems to a T, agents in their first year average 6.4 closings for $126,385 in GCI. That is cash in the pocket. Now, the crazy thing is, if you don't get off the beaten path, if you follow what we teach, agents in their second year go up to 27.1 closings for $385,487 in GCI. So when agents go up and they tell us, hey, your system, your model doesn't work, they're just not doing it correctly. The numbers prove that the living in method on YouTube is the single greatest real estate marketing strategy that you can find. It costs you no money and it generates leads 24/7, 365. Today, I'm gonna break down again the 4 things that you absolutely must know and what I have learned after doing this all across the country. Now, if you're asking me about the millions that I have made, we are just about to hit our 500th home sale, but it all didn't come from one channel. I have channels in Portland, Oregon, up in Vancouver, Washington, Reno, Nevada, Phoenix, Arizona, Bozeman, Montana, North Idaho, Boise, Idaho, Phoenix, Arizona, did I say that already? Houston, Texas, Arkansas, Nashville, Florida. I've got them all over. I will teach you how I did all of that here coming up. So, number 1, what you need to understand is that I discovered the real estate vlog. The Channel Junkie logo that you see is me holding a camera, and that is when I learned through keyword research that cities and suburbs were being searched 10 to 15 times a month more on YouTube than Google, so they wanted to see it. This is my first YouTube channel that I ever had in my life, and this is what real estate marketing events and real estate digital marketers told me to shoot, right? Listing videos, how to do catchy intros, motivate sellers, smoking spare ribs. I sent all of these, right? You'll notice later on that I'm gonna be doing a lot of community videos and, again, how to make killer brisket. But it's interesting, for the first year, I did a lot of podcast interviews with other agents. I did day in the life. I did a ton of shop and restaurant interviews where you are the digital mayor. None of this stuff worked, and you will see that I got minimal to no views on any of these, and they are 4 to 5 years old. But if we get hundreds of videos later, again, saving you from the pain point of doing this, you'll notice it wasn't until I did this video right here, which is the top 5 best neighborhoods to live in Portland, Oregon, back in April of 2019. This is a video where I actually took the camera outside because I cracked the code on people actually wanting to see the cities and suburbs.
All right, so
and we went outside.
The top 5 neighborhoods are in the Portland metro.
And we did a vlog. So the number 1 thing that you need to know is that if you can or have the ability to get outside and vlog, and then you leverage that city, suburb, and state in your video title, like Portland, Oregon, living in Portland, Oregon, moving to Beaverton, Oregon, full vlog tour, these are what people actually want, and they are what rank number 1 up in YouTube. So the second one that we're gonna uncover here in just a second was the most pivotal part of YouTube, because as I finally, after hundreds and hundreds of videos of doing it wrong, started doing these real estate vlogs, the channel started to grow. We got more views, we got more subscribers, but we weren't quite getting the phone calls yet. Number 2 on the list is having a hardcore call to action throughout your video. This was something that I left out because I was too scared to be salesy. I was too scared to tell people to call me. But one day we were talking with our lender's boss, and he said, "You have the craziest videos I've ever seen." Again, this was about 4 or 5 years ago. do you ever get any business from your videos? And I was like, well, not really, not yet, no calls. He goes, do you tell people to call you? And I'm like, no, you can't do that. He goes, no, Jackson, people are idiots. You have to tell them to call you. So in this video right here, back in June of 2019, where should you live when moving to Portland, Oregon? We were fully going outside and we were shooting videos just like this.
Okay, so you've been thinking about moving over here to the Portland Metro, but you're just not quite sure the perfect area for you, your family, whoever's coming with you. Maybe you're bringing some...
Yes, we were living outside, we were showing vlogs, we were feeling good. And in this video right here, I put in the call to action that, hey, we get phone calls every single day from people moving and relocating here. We absolutely love it. So thinking about moving anywhere in the Portland Metro, make sure you give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, even send the pigeon carrier. However you want to get a hold of us, we got your back when moving to Portland. Yes, I finally told people to call us, and guess what happened the next day? 14 phone calls, the rest is history. So it is very, very important that although we are doing these vlogs and these very informative videos about our city, that we are telling people to call us. That is how people have taken our exact video scripts, our exact video titles, our exact videos, using those calls to action in as soon as one video or at the end of the week. And some of these agents do it so well and so consistent that they make millions of dollars a year. But if you look at number 3 right here, you gotta get a separate email and a phone number. So you would never believe it if you hadn't done it, but if you get all of these phone calls and all of these leads every day, it actually gets annoying. But the most important part is the least scalable thing ever. If every phone call is hitting your personal cell phone, you can't get it out to the team, to VAs, or any of that. So not only has this happened to me, but over a dozen of our Channel Junkie students who have taken this model have also had to get rid of their personal cell phone number and email and give it to the team and create a new one. I can't stress this enough. We scale and grow these teams all across the country. And the number one thing that you have to realize is you have to set yourself up for success down the road. This is not cold calling lead generation or Facebook lead generation where you get thousands of leads and you drip them. These are people begging to work with you, and sometimes you can receive up to 20 phone calls a day. The thing about relocation buyers is they need a lot of your time. They're the best client you'll ever get, but it can take a little bit more time and hand holding. So you want to make sure that you get a general email, and you do not want to use your brokerage email, because if you leave brokerages, then your YouTube channel has to shut down. It's terrible. Just go to Gmail and create one. You can also use apps like Google Voice or Grasshopper to get a second phone line. Again, this is a phone line that now your VAs or other agents on your team can answer, and they don't call your personal phone. Yes, there's no way that I closed 480 homes for $7.5 million in GCI if it was all on my cell phone. So if you want to do it big, get you those different numbers and emails. Number 4 on the list is just a little bit different here. What we're going to be doing is discussing number 4, and there is a bonus at the end of this video. It's the most important thing about growing a real estate YouTube channel. I do want to take a second and just talk about our sponsorship opportunity at eXp Realty. If you don't want to join, that's fine, but I do want to talk about one opportunity real quick. We actually partner with real estate agents all across the country at eXp Realty. I give you my courses, my coaching, my trainings for free. Every single week I coach you, everything for free. If you want to grow the fastest, you can reach out to me or schedule a call down in the link below to get our courses, training, and partner with us. But number 4 on the list, once I learned how to real estate vlog and find those keyword titles and the perfect videos that work, once I got the separate email and the phone number, and once I had those beautiful calls to action, number 4, copy and paste. I went to 13 different cities for over the next 24 months, and I literally did the same thing over and over and over. And within days, weeks, months, we were already receiving phone calls, closing deals, and it just works. So if you follow this living in method from the original YouTube masterclass that we have created, step by step, like every other agent, you are almost guaranteed to do 6.4 homes the first year and 27 homes the second year. That YouTube masterclass is down in the pinned comment in the description if you want to check that out. It's also free, like I mentioned, if you want to partner with us at eXp. The beautiful part about all of this is that I've never had to answer any of the phone calls, emails, or text messages. I simply shoot the videos, the leads come into that team, we track everything. When they get closed, I get my commission check. I am really bad at real estate. So one thing that you need to understand about this YouTube for real estate thing is that if you hate video, you're never gonna shoot it and you're just gonna put it off forever, then maybe you could be like my business partner, Jesse, who is an absolute stone cold killer closer who, when he gets deals, they close, right? If you are that kind of person, then you probably need to go out and find a Jackson Wilkie like me. That's the important part. In fact, we found a lot of partnerships in this do very well because they have polar opposite skill sets, and that is what you can do to really elevate this thing. If you're somebody like me who is not afraid of the camera, can do this really quickly, I would go through that course step by step. Within 24 hours, you're gonna have the channel up and going and video shooting, and then I would try and seek an agent out there who has systems, processes, extra numbers, who knows how to close deals at a high volume, and you will build a beautiful team together. But last, let's talk about the bonus, because you can do all of this all you want, but if you do not follow this bonus tip here, you're not gonna have much success. The reasons that a lot of my videos rank #1 no matter what city I go to, even if I don't know anything about the city, all comes down to video quality. I have over the years shot thousands and thousands of videos, which has gotten me the repetitions to be more comfortable and confident on camera. I am unapologetically myself on camera. My kids will burst in the door, I'll put them in the videos. I talk about hunting and fishing all the time. I am just myself on camera, and I tell stories to keep the audience's attention longer, and I shoot really good vlog tours where my average view durations outrank my competitors, meaning YouTube is going to suggest my videos more than anybody out there. I don't spend any money. I don't put an advertising budget behind these. I don't do YouTube shorts. I don't do Instagram or Facebook. I leverage good, long, organic YouTube videos that work for years and years and years that even my 3-year-old could use in real estate 15 years down the road from now. And that is why I love doing the real estate vlogs and making sure that the quality of my video is the best that I can make it. I would rather at the end of the day do one solid video a week that has incredible quality than to do 3 really half-ass videos or 3 really short videos. YouTube will reward me more if I do the longer videos and people watch them longer. So if you're gonna do this, make sure that you follow the living in method step by step. Make sure that you shoot a lot of videos just to get the repetitions in, but you are also critiquing every single video, analyzing your view duration charts, seeing when people are falling off, seeing when people are gaining attention, and that is how you can become the best creator and outrank anybody who's in your market. I don't care how long they've been there. I've seen it done so many times. And if you want to see a video on how you can get 127 leads from YouTube in the next 30 days, that video is right here.